Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of the season of the Hack the Box episodes. I don't know what number are we on the episode, but we are having today Gable or Gable, medium machine Linux. I hope it's not too difficult. As you may know, last week we didn't upload the tips, tricks, and tips and tricks videos because I was not at home. It was a little bit of a mess. I needed to have some rest. I worked a lot during this week, so I needed that rest. There's just 40 seconds left for the machine to start. I just wanted to say that this machine is medium and this is not a right time. Okay, I always said it, but for the new guys that are coming, I obviously appreciate all the effort, all the recommendations that I see that you gave of this channel in other places like Reddit. But I have to say, for the new ones, this is not a write-up. This is just some tips and a review, an honest review of the machine, so you can complete the machine in case you are stuck, confirm that you're not running down a rabbit hole, and so on, so on. I'll just do this machine because I think that it's much better. This kind of episodes, this kind of tips, than just uploading a leak and it's for just you to check the leak because you're not going to improve just for a number. Yeah, it doesn't make up. Okay, I mean, why would you even want a number on your profile if you know that you're shit, right? So focus on improving. This video is for that. I hope that you like these kind of videos. I hope that you keep supporting what I do. And let's begin with today's machine, Gable Linux Medium. Let's go. Okay, so I have some of the worst feelings that I can have right now. That is, I want to break something. This machine is shit. I do not recommend it to anyone. We'll talk about it a little bit further in the video, but for now, it's a shit, a complete shit. So let's see how the machine evolves. But for the moment, I dislike it with all my guts. Well, guys, this goes the root flag. Honestly, it was not a special root flag. I kind of enjoyed that I had to more or less get myself like to study how it worked, but I didn't enjoy it, not at all. It was not a bad root flag, but it was not a good flag either. So it's not enough for an Hack the Box machine, not for a seasonal machine, that's for sure. So I've submitted my review already of a 1 star. I was planning to do that since I saw the intrusion part. So yeah, just so you know it. I wanted to do a brief recap of what is this machine about. So let's start from the beginning. Actually, just when you get into the machine, you're going to see a typical Linux Hack the Box machine. You're just going to have one port open. Well, actually two, SSH and HTTP, but actually you're not going to use SSH at all. So you can just focus on HTTP. The thing is that you have to know about web, but you are going to have to know about reading code as well. I like that part of the machine. Reading code is good, but reading code when you think that there's going to be a kind of a vulnerability somewhere, it is good. At the end, it was not that, so I'm kind of confused. Or I don't know if I was triggering wrong. My guess, and correct me if I'm wrong, is that it was going to be a SQL injection on the column parameter of the inventory. I was not able to exploit it no matter what. I spent 2 hours in that and it didn't do anything. And I knew my clear path, it was an SQL injection and then an RCE. But I didn't manage to do it. At the end, what I saw is that on the code, there were a lot of references to Auctioneer as a user. So I ended up using Kaido to brute force with RockU. And it took a while. Actually, I went to the gym for a bit. And finally, I got it. Okay. So first thing I should warn you about is that this is not a fun machine. If that's the unintended part, is shit. Totally shit. If not, well, I totally apologize, but you have to be clear about what you want to do on machines, like this. So, first of all, do brute force for the user that you have to, that I've already mentioned, but you have to get a user, and you're gonna thank me for brute forcing against the web. Use Kaido, Burpsuit Pro, whatever you want, even a Python script if you feel like it. And then when you have that user, it's going to be straightforward. You have to find another vulnerability to trigger an RCE. It's kind of obvious, so just read the code, ask your LLMs, okay, or your llamas. But yeah, you maybe you gotta be a bit stuck if you don't know how to read code, but I mean, I think you're gonna be fine if you're facing a medium machine because you can do it. So get yourself up, trigger that vulnerability, and get access to the web. Then password reuse, okay, password reuse for the change of the user. And the last part is abusing some SUID. Well, it's not SUID binaries. Watch your groups and watch what binaries can that group execute, okay? And there's a specific binary. Learn how it works, learn what are the requirements for that binary. It has to be, I mean, it is something to be with the YAML, okay, the YAML files. So play with that. There's also some restrictions. There's two options. Either you restrict, you overwrite the restrictions, or you just face it without triggering them. I overwrote them. I think it's pretty much simpler. So override the restrictions and then trigger the copy the flag, change the permission from root, or whatever you want. Just do it, okay? Now, fun machine, no. One of the worst I've done in the machine, in the season. So we better step up. The rest of the machines better be good because we had a really nice start of the season, and now I feel like the machines that are coming out are weak. I hope this get better. Nevertheless, I'm hoping to stick with the Hack the Box season. Is something fun to do, but sometimes you happen to face some of these machines. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like this kind of videos. I hope you got to root the machine at the end with some of my clues. And I hope you see you next week with the next video of the season. That I believe it's an easy machine, so we should get lucky. Yes, it's an easy machine, but last week it's an insane machine. That's gonna be hard, guys. But okay, it's okay. Let's keep our hopes up. See you in the next video, guys, and have a nice weekend, a nice week.